In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Hootsuite subscription, specifically focusing on canceling it when you no longer need its services. Let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome, which is a popular and highly reliable web browser that most of us use regularly for accessing various sites. So make sure you're logged into your computer and launch the Chrome browser. Once you're online, navigate to the Hootsuite website. In the address bar, type in the Hootsuite URL and hit enter. This action will take you directly to the Hootsuite login page. Next, it's time to log in. You'll need to input your login credentials, which include your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Hootsuite provides an option to reset it. Just follow the prompts and you'll be good to go. Once you've successfully logged in, your Hootsuite dashboard will appear, displaying all of your managed social accounts and past activities. Now, let's move on to accessing the billing section. Take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find your account profile icon. It might be a small picture or an initial, depending on your settings. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you're going to select Billing. Clicking this option redirects you to the Billing Management page, which contains detailed information about your current subscription plan. Here, you'll find the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and click on this option. Hootsuite will likely ask for confirmation before proceeding to ensure that canceling is your final decision. This step is crucial because once your subscription is canceled, you might lose access to certain features. Therefore, Hootsuite provides some on-screen instructions or prompts to guide you through the process. Follow these instructions diligently. They are designed to ensure that you fully understand the implications of canceling your subscription. Once you've completed the on-screen instructions, the process will be almost complete, but there's one last step: checking your email for a cancellation confirmation. Usually, Hootsuite will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. This email serves as a formal acknowledgement that your cancellation request has been processed. Be sure to look through your inbox and don't forget to check the spam or junk folders just in case it ends up there. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your Hootsuite subscription using Chrome. If you run into any issues or have questions throughout this process, Hootsuite's customer support is always available to help. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you need further assistance or clarification. Have a great day.